Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's tutorial video, we will show you how to wire the constant current regulator for the continual EPS cutting line. Because when we export, the constant current regulator is disconnected from the EPS cutting line. Please pay attention. When wiring, remember to make sure to put the copper gasket wire at the bottom and tighten them together. This is pretty much everything for today's video. If you like it, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will know that we are doing the right thing. See you next video.